Guys, meron ng salad stop sa wakas dito sa Pampanga at nag-order kami agad. Favorite ko dito, syempre, yung Hail Caesar with extra chicken. Tapos, salad dressing on the side.
Yes guys, this is not a drill. Pangatlong araw na ngayon ng Salad Stop dito sa SM Pampanga. At talagang hindi ko maitago yung excitement and happiness ko kasi matagal ko nang wini-wish na sana magkaroon ng ganito sa atin. Madalas kasi dinadayo ko pa yan sa Manila, lalo na yung BGC branch nila. Salad Stop is known for their wide variety of fresh ingredients na pwede mong orderin either as a salad bowl or salad wrap. And girl, ang lalaki ng salad wrap nila, pwede siya for 2 packs. Apart from that, meron din silang mga chia pudding, overnight oats, and mga fresh na smoothies. Ito yung menu nila pero kahit hindi ko tignan yan, automatic talaga order ko palagi yung Hail Caesar. It has lettuce, bacon, parmesan, chicken, and eggs. Talagang complete meal in one go.
Ito naman salad bowl na tuna san. It has, of course, fresh tuna in the middle. Merong avocado, egg, and edamame. Ang harap! Parang pepper crusted yung tuna, tapos Asian balsamic vinaigrette, ganon yung dressing niya.
We always order their strawberry banana muesli. Meron yung rolled oats, chia seeds, Greek yogurt, honey, dried fruits, strawberry puree, and fresh bananas. And lastly, we're having their Pink Panther smoothie, which has strawberries, bananas, coconut water, Greek yogurt, honey, and chia seeds.